Comes in a box as such. So let's open it and see what's in. I'm not even going to tell you what I bought. I'm just going to show you exactly what I bought. Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you're well. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Welcome back. If it's your first time here, I am Laviniah, and what you can expect from my channel is content to do with fashion, beauty and lifestyle. If you haven't yet subscribed, I would love for you to join this channel and this fam. Hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so you don't miss a single video. There are new videos up every week. So today is quite an exciting video. I am unboxing some new makeup products and I can't wait to share with you. I'm going to be opening the box and also seeing the products and sharing that with you right now. So let's have a look, guys. I recently purchased some new makeup products. All the products are from Morphe. And I love Morphe, and I'm going to be sharing with you exactly what I bought. I bought them online. It didn't take long to come through the post. I think it took 2 to 3 days. So it was very efficient and fast service. I liked how it came, the box and the packaging. So this was the box. I took off the tape, or I cut the tape for the purpose of shooting. It comes in a box as such. So let's open it and see what's in. I'm not even going to tell you what I bought. I'm just going to show you exactly what I bought. And I can't wait to try these. So anyway, let's get started. Secure box. It has these bubble wraps to help keep the products secure and intact so there's no damage. So I like that. And then let's open this. I'm excited. So let's have a look. Okay, so the first thing that I bought, and I need to actually see how much it was, I can't remember, goodness. First thing that I will show you that I bought was this highlight and contour beauty sponge or beauty blender. So they call it a beauty sponge. So it's a highlight and contour beauty sponge. And what I really like about this, because I've got quite a few beauty sponges, I bought this one in particular. I'll show you. This is perfect for highlighting and contour. I can't wait to use it. I'll show you why it is so. If I can open this, it's got a bit of tape here I need to take off. Oh, I just love this. So this is a red color, and what I love about this is the tapered ends. If you can see the flat ends, the tapered ends. This will be perfect for highlighting and contouring and reaching those places that are hard to reach with a round beauty sponge or beauty blender. So this will be perfect for instance, the corners of my nose for blending here, and also for when I'm using a concealer for reaching those the bits here under my eyes. So reaching under here for contouring, this will be absolutely perfect. I can't wait to use this. This is going to be a life changer, a game changer. So far the ones that I have a couple of beauty sponges of different sizes. So I use a concealer as a smaller size from the one that I use for foundation, and for the contouring it's really tiny, so it gets to like the really tight areas. But this will be perfect for definitely using a concealer and contouring, especially these corners and these parts which are hard to get to. So I can't wait to use this. This one was £4. I got this for £4. The thing that I got, which I'm really excited about using, is the Morphe mattifying continuous setting spray. I've heard so much about this. I've heard rave reviews about this. Every video I see, lots of videos I see, people are using Morphe setting spray. I've been using MAC setting spray. It's a matte setting spray. And now I have switched to this. I want to try this. I've heard such great things about this setting spray. Is it gives a dewy hydration to the skin when you used it. So it seals in moisture. So this is so far the reviews I've heard about this, that it gives a dewy hydration to the skin while sealing moisture when you put your makeup on. And apparently this lasts up to 16 hours. So I'm going to test this out and see if it actually does the job. And if it does, this is wonderful. This is going to be great. So it says that it also leaves you with a glowing finish. I'm going to be very keen to see if that's the case. I am really loving dewy makeup looks, and that's what I'm leaning to nowadays. So I really want to use a setting spray that will complement that and will leave my skin dewy and glowing whilst also sealing the moisture and keeping the makeup intact for hours. And this is going to be a perfect summer setting spray because it's obviously going to get very hot. So if it's going to keep you hydrated, so it's not you're not sweating, your skin is not sweating, and it keeps your makeup looking dewy and glowing, this will be absolutely perfect. If you've used this before and you're using it, please let me know in the comment section below what your experience is so far. I'm going to do a review for you once I've used it a couple of times, and I'll tell you exactly how it feels and looks on my skin. I just can't wait to try it. So let's open the box and see what this looks like on the inside. This one was, I got this for £8. It was definitely reduced. Can't remember the original price, but this was, I got it on sale and it was for £8, and I think it's just a great makeup product. It was definitely affordable, and I had my eye on it, so it was perfect. It was great that I actually came across this on the sale because I was actually going to get this anyway. So when it was on sale, I definitely jumped at the opportunity to get it. So that's what it looks like. I can't wait to use it. I could just spray it on my hand and see. Let me try. I'll give it a shot by spraying on my hand. Let's go. Ah, okay. I can definitely see or tell that it does actually give a dewy look because I can see it on my skin. I can see that this part that I've sprayed is actually feels moisturized already. Okay, I got this in the sales. It was originally £24 and I got this for £16. So I was so happy to have found it and that it was still available. It should still be online. I have a look. There are still other items and other eyeshadow palettes online. But yeah, have a look for this. This is 35H Hotspot. Can't wait to try this. So you've got your aqua shades along here. You've got the nudes at the top. You've got your sultry orange and red shades there. So it's a mixed palette. And I don't know if you can see, the shades are glittery. I mean, look at how rich that aqua is, that turquoise. Look how rich that turquoise is. Look how rich the golden, the bronzy, the orange and red tones are. I honestly can't wait to use this. I cannot wait. So I can't wait to create makeup looks and try different eyeshadows and looks with this. These shades are going to be perfect for summer. Perfect for summer looks. They just give it that great summer vibe with a coral orange and red and gold and bronze shades. Very playful, and I'm enjoying injecting color in my looks, especially with makeup, and trying different eyeshadows. So I'm keen to try these colors. So the trick with the eyeshadows is if you're having a deep color or a bright and vibrant color for your eyeshadows, keep it minimal with the rest of your makeup. So for your lips, go for a nude lippy and a lip gloss, and that's it really. So I can't wait to try this. I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial using this Morphe eyeshadow palette. I'm going to share that with you when I do it, so I can't wait to share that. I'm really looking forward to that. If you do use any Morphe eyeshadow or any Morphe products, please let me know in the comment section below. I'd like to know what you use and anything else that you can recommend. Also, yeah, I'd really want to know if you have any other products that you're recommending that you're using presently. Do let me know. I've bought a couple other products online and I'll be sharing them as well and doing makeup tutorials with that. So this is my Morphe unboxing. I hope you've enjoyed watching, and I can't wait to share with you my review and reviews on the products, as well as makeup tutorials using these very products. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to share this video with a friend. Tell a friend to tell their friend about this channel and this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, which I don't actually know why, I would love for you to do so and join this fam by clicking on that button. Please subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single video. New videos are up every week. Also, you can hit me up on my socials. My handle is at @Laviniah_K. I'm going to leave a link right down below for you so that you can just click and follow right through and make it easy for you. Say hello to me, I'll say hello back to you. I hope you have a great one. Enjoy the sun, the weather. That's all from me for now, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.